Hello, I'm JD, CEO of Xcraft, and we're out here with the Panadrone system, and we're going to do a demo for you guys, just to give you an overview. So you can see the nest, beautiful shimmering in the background there in the sunshine. We've got a nice cool day here. It's probably about 35 degrees in North Idaho. So this is the nest. It's fully weather contained. It can actually operate in light precipitation and wind, so it's meant to be most weather operation. Normally we would control it with a tablet or something. I have this phone, this Android phone. You can actually control it with anything. It just connects to the Wi-Fi, and you can control the system. It can also be connected over the internet or through a cellular connection. So I'll go ahead and open the door here from the phone. And you can see that the drone, I can come over this way. So the drone's inside. We've got a 8-rotor drone. You can see the motors are on a timer, so they start beeping. But you can see the action of the, we've got a gimbal there with a, I think it's a 14 megapixel camera on it right now. There's options for thermal cameras as well as zoom cameras. We've got a precision landing system, so this thing can land itself into the box. It can be fully automated. You don't need any kind of pilot necessarily on site. Obviously you have to obey the regulations, but it does allow that kind of operation. There are some manual controls on the back where you can actually close the lid, open the lid, you can reel in the tether, turn the drone power on and off. But those are just for maintenance purposes. You can see when I pull the drone out, it's connected with the tether. So it's a tethered drone. It gets power and optionally communication through the tether. When it lands, it sequences into place and shuts off, and then the lid closes. So we're going to do a full demo of this system. I'm going to go ahead and close the door, and then we'll start with the full demo of the system. All right, we are going to go ahead and launch this drone now, the Panadrone, and do just a simple sequence of flight. We're going to take it up to, I believe it's 10 meters on the launch, initial launch, and then we'll go up and down in increments of 4 meters. You can adjust that. You can adjust the launch altitude. You can also adjust the increments that you want to change altitude in. And then we're going to yaw back and forth, and then we'll do a landing. Just a pretty simple operation, but it'll all be done from a phone or a tablet or any device that's connected over Wi-Fi. I'm going to go ahead and press the launch button here. See, the first thing that happens is the lid opens. It goes through a series of checks, and then it arms. Takes off. Altitude now, go ahead and go up. And now we'll go down, so go ahead and go down. And all the time the tether tension is maintained, so you don't have any loose tether or anything. So we'll go ahead and yaw left. And you can change, go ahead and yaw left again. You can change the steps you want to implement yaw as well. Down to 1 to 3 if you want. Okay, now yaw right. And we'll go ahead in a second and press the land button. And when we do, you'll see that the drone will reorient itself back to the same heading that it took off. And then it will start to land, and the tether will realign, so all that will happen. And then after it lands, the lid will close and shut off, and it'll be ready for another launch. So we'll go ahead and press the land button now. touchdown, and it automatically disarms, and then the lid will close. And we'll go ahead and get that hole closing, and that's a full flight.